Hi, thank you for watching this video. Let me show you how to install a WordPress application on your Cpanel. Okay, so what happens is you log onto your Cpanel, your control panel, and you scroll down to the software section here. And under the software section, you've got two options. You've got one, the site software, which is the one I'm going to show you how to install in, and two, you've got your software app installer. It's called Softaculous. Yeah, Softaculous app installer. This is the same as this. So most or old hosting services, you will find this. So if you don't have the site software, you can click on Softaculous app installer, and when you come here, it shows you all the list of apps you can install. Okay, sometimes there's more than this. If you look at on your site, there's more you can do with this Softaculous, CMS system, if I can call it that. So you've got your, WordPress here. You can simply hit install, and here you've got all the versions. You can change to a lower version. You've got a number of options here. You can choose a subdomain. So this one, it's going into the WP. Just cancel it if you want your software to go directly into the main website page. If you are creating something like a subdomain, you can say app dot, and then you can name your blog here, enter a password and username, of course. Use the language you prefer. English is the default one, and you don't really need advanced options. But if you are very, very advanced with WordPress, you can come here, but I doubt you would if you're watching you're watching this video. I'm sorry. So here you can choose the theme that you're going to install, enter email address, and then hit install. But we're not going to do that here because I'm going to show you the other way to install your WordPress application. So there's this thing called site software. This is what I use whenever I create a website. Okay, I come to site software, then I click on WordPress Legacy 1. Then it gives you the list of WordPress installation within this domain. So if you have a couple of subdomains, for example, it will list them here. Come to install. And the other thing I like about this is that it gives you the simplest way of uninstalling your WordPress as well. So come to install, go to WordPress. Depending on the version of Cpanel you're using, it might not give you that option to go to WordPress. So if you're installing directly into the main domain, you can come here. Okay, you can just simply hit install, but it's going to give you a default username and it's going to give you a default password. So if you want to create a password that you can easily remember, okay, I want to add subdomain. You can do two things. You can add subdomain, but you can simply just come here, see this show advanced configuration, come here, and then let's say, because I don't want to change this website, I don't want to install a WordPress on the existing CMS system or the main domain. So we will create, let's say for example, this is support, or let's just call it help. Okay, then here you can create your username, which is help me, and then not helpmate, help me, and then you can create your own password. For example, I'd suggest let's just generate one password just for the sake of this video. Then just say I have copied, use password. Then here's the email address you will use. You can put any other email address. This is my email address. You can rename your directory here, help. Then you can say Cullen help center. This is your table prefix. You can change it or can leave it as it is. Then you hit install. Not now, please. You can hit save on your site so that you don't have to retype the password every time you install. I mean, you log into your WordPress. What do you call it? Your WordPress. Yeah, whatever. Your WordPress CMS system. So it has created that. This is the password, as you can see, which I had copied earlier. Let me just copy again. Copy. Then you can go into your WordPress site. So one thing you must take note of here is this link. Hold on. Let it open and finish up here. Let's see, why is it taking time? Okay, I've got the email from WordPress to say WordPress installation has been created. Just received it on my phone. I'm surprised why it is taking time. Yeah, it's surprising. So what happens is, what you will normally do is there. So it has opened the site. So what you can do is you can go to login. So this is the default theme that comes with all WordPress installations. So you can put help me and the password. You can say remember password, but I'm not going to do that for this tutorial. And you'll be able to log into your WordPress installation. So first thing that I normally do, I just install a plugin for maintenance, so people won't be able to view my site as I develop it. So there's maintenance. Yeah, there's a plugin called maintenance. I install it, I activate it, and then I put the site down. So that is how you create a WordPress installation using, what is this? Don't understand what it says. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So there is WordPress legacy. So things have changed a little bit, because I think maybe this comes with the latest version of Cpanel, but usually we'll just click on legacy and it would list all the WordPress installation under here. So now it seems that they have separated the main site with the subdomains or the other CMS installation within your server. So that is how you install a CMS. My internet is slow. Let me just close this. That's how you install a WordPress CMS system on Cpanel. Thank you for viewing. Goodbye.